Welcome to this week's film, the last week of building out our van.
We are Michael and Acacia, and this is our van Yeti. Last week we went in convoy to Hogsback.
This week we get heavy duty draw slides, hook up the plumbing, install the electrical and reorganize the van as we prepare to hit the road full time. Good morning guys, so yesterday we had some fun trying to get our plumbing going. We're nearly done. Today we're going to be doing the electrical and also doing this lagoon table right here that's going to be mounting over here.
Alister from LITT Electical is going to come help us hook up our caravan port. We don't quite have all the solar sorted yet, but we'll be doing that in the future. We had a lot to clean up in the van as we prepared to leave the next day, hitting the road with no end date in mind.
Join us next week Sunday as we rejoin our friends who temporarily get stuck, but then we found a campsite along the river.
And that's the last bit of our building. We unfortunately didn't get to the last few things, but we'll be doing that on the road.
Yeah, and then when we're done with those, we'll be doing a full van tour and giving you insights and detail as to why we did everything and how we did it, and just showing you what the final project looks like.
So yesterday we officially left East London with no end date in mind. We'll be traveling across South Africa. We haven't got a set plan, but we're gonna try to stay on the road for as long as possible.
Yeah, meet up with friends, travel around about by ourselves, going to some epic campsites. So yeah, like Keisha said, don't have much planned, just gonna see what happens on the road. Take it from there.
And we'll be sharing weekly videos and daily updates on Yeti the van.
Yeah, so follow along on the Instagram and the YouTube, subscribe if you're not already, and see you guys next week. Cool.